quick unboxing here. It's trying low-cost items from Amazon here, and these are always hit or miss. You often get what you pay for, but I wanted to try this again, do a video on it, and see how it goes. So 2 items. Start with this one. Made in China, iKingsky underwear. Pretty good stretchy quality. Pouch seems a little big. These are mediums. That looks really big for medium. Yeah, 85% polyamide, 15% elastane. Typically, it's a softer synthetic blend. Very stretchy. Cool, different green. They look big. They look big though. So standard T-back, pretty small T-back. These are somewhat similar to the Muscle Skins one, but the quality is probably not as good. The material is what it really meant. It's similar to that material, but not as thick. So should be fun. And this should be 3 items. iKingsky men's cheeky. I got large in this one. That might be a mistake, given the other one. Whoa. Oh, they're a little see-through. That was unexpected. Yeah, large. I may have blown it with the large. Blue. Yellow. I didn't think they were see-through. Oh, there's a lot of them here. Red. Black and white. Huh. The logo up front. Okay. That's that. We'll see how they fit. Again, it's always a risk going low cost off of Amazon. Sometimes you'll find some gems.